Due to relative velocity between layer, velocity gradient du by dy exists, and hence shear stress, it is denoted by tau. Tau is equal to mu du by dy acts on the layer. It is simply a shear stress which works on the fluid. Its formula is given. It is given by tau is equal to mu du upon dy, where du is velocity and dy is displacement of fluid. And after this we will study Reynolds number. Reynolds number is a dimensionless number. It is defined as ratio of inertia force to viscous force. Its formula is Re is equal to Fi upon Fv. It means inertia force to viscous force. It is ratio of inertia force to viscous force. And when Reynolds number is less than 2000, the flow is known as laminar flow. And when Reynolds number is greater than 4000, it is known as turbulent flow. And when it is between 2000 and 4000, it is known as transition flow. In this both laminar and turbulent flow occurs. It is actually intermediate between these two flows. Sometimes it is considered as turbulent flow in this case. Thanks for watching.